Hey YouTube, this is wwjoshdew, and Plugable has sent me a new keyboard that they released. They have a mini version and then this full-size version. This is a gaming keyboard, like a mechanical one, for those of you that like to have a mechanical feel when you type on your keyboard. I personally really like it, so I will be using this thing from time to time. Let's go ahead and check it out. Alright, so we have this in here. And let's take a quick look at the back of the box here. 104 white LED backlit keys, blue clicky mechanical key switches, and you can go to plugable.com/products/USB-mech104BW. Lifespan 50 million actuations. That's a lot of actuations. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this box up. And on the front, it just has a picture of the keyboard. That's what it looks like. Let's go ahead and open this thing up and show you what all comes inside the box. We've got a thick USB cable that is quite thick. I'm assuming this would be to replace a key that is broken on there or something along those lines. Very simple packaging. Wow, it actually weighs a little bit. That is not light at all. That is very interesting. It looks quite thick from right here. The height of it is a lot higher than most other keyboards. You do have some little feet to bring it out, and they are rubber. They've got rubber tips on them, so when you put it down, that is on there really good. It's not moving at all. So these rubber feet are very nice right here at the bottom of the little stands. And if you don't want them, of course, you could just lay it down flat, and it also is very sturdy with that as well. But I usually flip them out. It's got a very tactile feel to it, like a mechanical keyboard should. Alright, so I've got this old Chromebook here. Well, it's old to me, so I've had it for like 2 years. It still works very well. The keys are not the best anymore because it has had some liquid spilled in it by somebody. So we're going to go ahead and take this, plug it in. Oh, that is pretty. Let me turn the lights off. There you go. There's absolutely no light in this room at all. That is pretty freaking cool. You get a nice close-up of that. I use the absolute crap out of the number lock button here for things such as like typing in a phone number or doing a calculation or something. So I'll go ahead and hit caps lock and the light turns on. I am typing from my new Plugable keyboard. There's not much else to cover as far as that. It is your standard keyboard, but mechanical, and I like the white lights on it. I love the rubber feet. It's not going to go anywhere on your table. I will have a link to this thing in the description below if you want to go ahead and pick one up for yourself. I'm going to open a new tab here, and I can go ahead and close those tabs out. If you enjoyed the video, a positive rating would be appreciated. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. This is wwjoshdew, and I'm out.